Well, it's floating around, so that's a good thing. Oh, that's too much! No, it's supposed to be until it fills up.
Franky Cheese Vintage Toy Adventures. Ooh.
Today we're going to review my Wiggle Fish. I don't know what's in it. We haven't opened the box yet. But today we have a special guest.
Fart!
Fart. And what's your name?
Fart. And my name is Bear Light.
Bear Light and Fart. So we're going to see what we got in here. So, what do we got?
Well, it looks like we have a globe, a fish, and some tank.
I don't know what this is, but it says make a beautiful decoration for any room and you'll come to think of it as your very own pet. I think it's some sort of fish. It says battery operated with 2 C cells. So let's see what it is. You guys want to open this up?
Yep. Yeah.
All right. I hope it's in there. Easy, Tiger. Easy.
Got it.
Take it easy. All right. Let's see what we got here. This thing is vintage of some sorts.
Careful.
Whoa! Look at this.
Bigger than I thought it would.
It's amazing.
Now, how do you get this thingy open? You like got to take this or?
All right. Let's read instructions.
Oh, it's supposed to float around.
It's made in Taiwan.
That's a good thing.
Adopt an amazing, lifelike action fish and watch it wiggle about in the fish bowl. Do you put water in it?
I think so.
It works. Oh, it's from 1984. Oh, hey, is the phone ringing? Hello? Oh, it's 1984. They want their fish back.
Hey, but we just got it.
Works for $150.
Daddy, we want your fish back.
This,
Give it now or we'll not get it. So do we
this
put
is
water?
crazy. 150 hours of swimming fish. I don't think you put water in it. Let's
'cause then
read
it
the
doesn't float
instructions. Okay, open the battery compartment, blah, 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 and fill it with cold water. If bubbles should appear, put a few drops of detergent in the water. Why not make suds? Okay, so let's put some batteries in it.
So I think
Oh,
that's
wait,
where
the battery's going here.
Oh, the battery's going there.
Here's the batteries.
Okay, so first we're going to need to get this open.
Put the fish in the collar. The fish is hanging out in there. All right, see the fishy? He's kind of
Okay.
in there.
Let me see one of these.
Do not drop or damage the fish.
Hold on, let me get this
Don't
in here.
feed a fish because he'll, after midnight, because he'll multiply into thousands of fish. Alrighty.
Thousands of fish? We want thousands.
This looks amazing. I could put this on my desk at work. Show your friends.
Okay, I don't know how to put that in. You're going to have to do that, Franco. Oh, Lila! I want you.
All right, that one's
Okay,
in.
so this is cold water, right?
So now we gotta
So
wear.
float
Okay,
around.
give me this one here. All right.
Does that question? Does it actually say 100 fish?
I don't know, but I'm gonna run out to get some water.
Okay.
We didn't actually prepare for this, so let's.
We need cold water. Hey, I was sitting there.
Hey, we got water now.
Okay.
Hey,
I get that.
So- Okay, we gotta gotcha. All right, we got water now.
Now.
This is special water. We had this brought in from Hinkley.
Hinkley.
All right, here we go.
We have paper towels prepared.
Here we go. I don't know if I put water in here, it might rip a hole in the time continuum back to 1984.
We'll see. Well, it's floating around, so that's a good thing. Oh, that's too much! No, it's supposed to be until it fills up. I think. Well, first we shouldn't have put that in there.
I think he's tangled up in there or something. Here we go. Hello, Mr. Fishy! Okay. Now,
I feel this.
put the little fishy.
Oh my gosh, that's cold.
Isn't this fabulous? All right, let's put the fishy on.
I want to feel it. Oh, that's cold. Yeah.
Here he goes. Oh. Wow, isn't that amazing?
Really? See?
It's like a real live fish.
Whoa, Jenny called me 40. He's 40.
So
Yeah, you said makeup.
that's your screen name, Farty.
Farty face. I'm farty face.
How about Party? You're Party, and then she's
Tardy. Farty tardy.
Miss Tudor. You can be Miss Tudor.
Farty.
All right, so we got action. Well, fear in the market for an artificial fish. Oh, why this would do quite handily.
Oh, it's very heavy. Here, fish.
My Widow Fish
and
from
all
1984,
affection.
made in Taiwan.
Really? It's made from Taiwan?
It was designed in Japan and made in Taiwan.
Really?
Comes as shown in three plants, and you never have to
Few
feed it. You just
plants.
have to buy them expensive batteries. But anyways, this was a short video. It works. I don't have to fix it, which is good. So please like my video and please hit subscribe for more fun vintage toy adventures. And visit my friend's eBay shop. I don't know what I forget what it's called again.
eBay
My
farty
collection, second childhood friends.
I'll open this. Does this open?
And visit my friend's eBay store, Second Childhood Friends. I'm
yeah, I
still
do.
bugging him for that link. When he gives me the link, I will put it in the comments. Anyways, how awesome is this? Smell you later.
Smell you later. Smell you later.